Yesterday we complete first and second part. Now third part, exercise number 3.1. Find first term. What they ask, find first term. First term is what? Small a, or it is called as a T1. 1 for first and T for term. And common difference. So common difference is denoted by small d. Yesterday we learned small d means common difference. So first sum, 5, 1, -3, -7 and so on. So what is the first term here? Clear cut, we can see 5. So first term is equal to a, or T1, it is equal to 5. Then common difference. What is common difference here? D. D is known as a common difference. What is the formula for D? T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. What is T2 here? Next second term 1 minus first term 5. So 1 minus 5, small minus bigger, negative sign. So your minus 4 answer. So this is your first term, this is your common difference. Very simple sums are there. So there are total 4 sums. I am taking fourth sum, which is slightly tough. Remaining second and third you can do on your own as a homework. So first sum, AP given 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4 and so on. So first term, what is first term here? 1 upon 4. First term A, or T1, is equal to what? 1 upon 4. Then common difference. What is common difference? D. Formula is what? T2 minus T1. What is T2 second term? 3 upon 4. What is first term? 1 upon 4. So denominator is same. I can combine numerator. 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2 upon 4. So after dividing, it will become 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2. So my difference is what? 1 upon 2, and my first term is 1 upon 4. This is my final answer. So for homework, you can take second sum and third sum. So third part is over. That means your exercise number 3.1 is over. Okay. For starting, now we will start with the 3.2. Very simple it is. It is type of activity. So I am starting 3.2 here. Fill in the block boxes. First part, first sum, 1, 8, 15, 22. Here A is box given, T1 is again box given, T2 again box given, and T3 again box given. So very simple. What is A? A is my first term, 1. What is T1? Again first term, so it is also 1. Then they ask T2. What is T2? Second term, so 8. And they ask T3. What is T3? 15. Okay. Then they ask T2 minus T1. So what is T2? 8. 8 minus T1 is what? 1. So 8 minus 1, 7. Then they ask T3 minus T2. What is T3? 15. What is T2? 8. So 15 minus 8, 7. Therefore D. D is what? Difference. Difference also 7. So this is your first sum is over. Now I am taking third sum. Remaining second and fourth you can do as a homework. 3 minus 8 minus 13 minus 18 and so on. Here T1. What is T1 here? First term, minus 3. What is T2 here? Wait. Sorry. First they ask T3. They confuse us. T3 they ask. So generally they ask serial wise T1, T2, but here they ask T3. So what is T3 here? First, second, third term, minus 13. What is T2 here? Second term, minus 8. What is T4 here? Minus 18. Fourth term, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term, minus 18. And now they ask what is T1? So what is T1? First term, minus 3. Then they ask T2 minus T1 and only one boxes is given. So that means we have to do subtraction at a rough page. T2 minus, what is T2 minus 8? And what is T1 minus 3? So minus, again minus. Okay? T2 minus T1, minus T1 is 3. So minus minus plus, we know minus minus plus. Then minus plus subtraction, bigger number sign. What is bigger number? 8. So my answer is what? Minus 5. Okay. Then T3 minus T2 they ask. So again same answer it will be again because difference is same. So what is T3 minus 13? Look at here, minus 13 and minus 8. Minus minus plus. So it become minus 5. Same. Then therefore A is equal to box, D is equal to box. So A means what? First term. So minus 3 and difference is what? Anyone take difference, T2 minus T1. So it is minus 5. So this is first sum, third sum. In first part there are total 4 sums. So homework, second sum and fourth sum. Okay, so first part also over.